Step into a world of opportunity with Freshworks Recruitment 2024. We're on the lookout for dedicated and passionate individuals to join us as digital customer success associates. Immerse yourself in a dynamic, innovative team where your skills can truly shine and your commitment is rewarded. At Freshworks, collaboration is key. We provide a platform for your professional growth and development. Together, we can shape success stories. What are we looking for? 1 to 3 years of relevant work experience in a customer-facing role, a proven track record as a trusted strategic advisor to clients, and strong written and verbal communication skills. A bachelor's degree in computer science and business education is preferred. As a customer success associate, you'll proactively engage with customers to provide strategic and tactical guidance, increasing the value they gain from the Freshworks suite of products. From showcasing product demos to working out solutions for business use cases, you'll be at the forefront of customer success. Join us at Freshworks and help us shape the future of customer success.